Terraform is amazing until it's not. One small mistake and your entire infrastructure can drift out of sync without you even noticing. In this video, I'll show you exactly what that looks like with a real world simulation. We are going to deploy a Docker container using Terraform, and we are going to delete that manually and watch Terraform detects the drift and fix the problem. If you like real world DevOps disaster demos with practical fixes, hit subscribe right now so you don't miss the next one. What is drift? Terraform keeps a state file. It's memory of what resources exist. Let's say if something changes outside of Terraform, then that state file and reality diverge. That mismatch is nothing but a drift. Okay? And in real infrastructure, drift can cause downtime, broken deployments, or surprise bills. Let me give you another example. Let's discuss about the football analogy. Okay? In a football match, there is a player who is playing at left behind position. Okay? This is the instruction of the coach. He should play on the left behind position. But in between the match, this player wants to go forward and score the goal. His role is to defend at the back, but in between he will move forward and try to score the goal. This is causing a drift. Okay? The actual position and the playing position is mismatching what coach has decided. We call this thing as a drift. Hope this is clear for everyone. Let's see the drift in action completely locally using Docker. No cloud, no hidden cost. Let's jump into the demo. So here I have a simple Terraform file. We are using Docker provider here, and we are creating two different resources. One is like Docker image, pulling the Docker image, and then followed by we are creating the container. The output is like very simple, the URL. Now let's run this command, Terraform initialize, press enter. After the initialization, we are going to run the Terraform apply command. So Terraform apply, press enter. Here if you see, it is trying to add two resources. One is like Docker container, and we are trying to pull the image. Followed by we have the output URL as well. I'm going to say yes, press enter. Apply complete successfully. Two resources added, 0 destroyed and 0 changed. Now let's try to run Docker ps command. and see if the image exists. Yes, I can see the image. Container is like kind of running. Followed by, let's try to run curl command. I can see it works. Okay, I get some response. Now what are we going to do? So now I am going to delete that container which is like running. Now let's assume one of your teammate manually came and ran this docker rm-f, the container name. Press enter. Now the container is like gone. Let's try to filter and see if it is like still available. So no, it's gone. So terraform.ts state file. This is how the state file looks like. If you see, we have resources and also a docker container stored here in this particular state file. In reality, we deleted this manually, but still we can see this in our state file. That's the reason Terraform will, let's say, recreate this even after manually it was like deleted. This mismatch between Terraform state file and the real infrastructure is called drift. Now the Terraform state file is diverged. So let me try to run Terraform plan once again. Normally we should not see any resources to get created, but I can see 1 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. That means our Terraform state file is like diverged now, and it is like trying to recreate the stuff which was deleted manually. Okay, let me try to run that real quick. Terraform apply, say yes. Now once again we have our resource created successfully. Here it's just an Nginx container, but in production drift cloud mean a firewall rule deleted, a VM resized, or a load balancer removed. That's why many teams schedule Terraform plan runs in CI pipelines to detect drift early before it becomes an outage or a huge bill. Now let's try to destroy all the resources which we created. I'm going to run Terraform destroy auto approve. Press enter. Now we have successfully destroyed 2 resources. Key takeaways from this simulation. Drifts happen whenever changes occur outside Terraform. Terraform plan will detect drift, so running it regularly is a must. Terraform apply reconciles drift by bringing reality back in line with code. Strict guardrails should be placed. Don't let people manually change infrastructure outside Terraform. That's how you avoid hidden drift. If this simulation helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment saying Terraform Labs if you want me to share this exact repo. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.